Okay, your first assignment of the day is going to be a Veterans Day writing prompt. You're going to get a piece of paper and you're going to use your sharpened pencil from your instrument kit to write your name and your homeroom teacher. Then you are going to very thoughtfully fill out this Veterans Day writing. If your writing is one of the best in the class, I may ask you if you would like to be a reader for the Veterans Day program. It's okay if you don't want to. You can say, no, thank you, I don't want to read. But don't let that make your writing be really yucky and poor because you don't want to read. Do the best writing no matter what, because this counts for a grade. And then if I ask you if you want to be a reader and you want to, say, yes, I'd love to. And if not, say, no, thanks, I don't want to. So your first question for the prompt is, I am thankful for our veterans because, and I don't want it to be just a couple words. How about a couple sentences, okay? So you have all this room to fill in. If you feel like you need more room to answer the questions, go on to the back side and put, number 1 continued or number 2 continued, and let me know which one you're continuing to write for. I am thankful for our veterans because, the next one, we should honor and celebrate our veterans by, so what are some ways, some actions that we can show or tell our veterans to honor and celebrate them? And the last question, I love America because, and some of the things you could talk about are the freedoms that we have. We have the freedom to choose what clothes we wear, or we all have the opportunity to go to school. And in some places in the world, not every child gets to attend school. I know, isn't that crazy? I have a class here, by the way. I know you can't see them, but there's a class here while I'm recording. So, yeah, some places they don't get to go to school, or it's a privilege to go to school, or they have to wear a uniform at school. They can't just choose what they want to wear, or they have to eat specific foods and meals, right? And we have so many freedoms we get to choose, so many things you wouldn't think about. So at least 2 sentences for each. So you'll finish the sentence. I am thankful for our veterans because they help to keep us safe. Great, that's 1 sentence. Now add on to that. Why do they keep us safe? Or tell me another thought, okay? So 2 sentences for each of the 3 thoughts. When you are finished, please put your papers on the brown chair up front. Well, for this class. For you guys, put your finished papers on the white table up front for Mrs. Holte. And then I will tell you the next activity.
I'll hold your phone.